And there it is, and of course, I'm very excited. This is the original JBL Boombox. Bear in mind, there are many fakes out there, and the fake sounds terrible. This is original, and it is beautiful. Let's unbox it. How do you spot original? Not a clue. I don't know. Don't ask me that, because I only buy at the legitimate stores. Stores needs to be legit, especially big stores, like tremendously big stores. And there should be legit stuff on the shelves. So there's a true seal. Bam! Bam! See what? Whoa! Whoa! Smells like music. Warranty card. There you go, there you go, there you go. There you go, sweet. Push it. Push it, baby. Push it. Ah. Oh. Stuff happens. Okay. There's something in the box. Accessories. Ah, push it. Poison for the trolls. Accessories. How do I get to them? Okay. Power brick and power cable. Quick start guide. Warranty. Power cable. It's a regular power cable. Regular one. And power brick, which should charge the battery and the boombox. And the brick is not that big. 24 volts. 8 watts. That's what it is. All right, so there's that. Now the device itself. It's quite heavy. Ooh. Wow. Ooh. Wow, it smells nice, you know? It has a nice grip. Can I bring the camera closer? You can see it has a nice grip. This is all rubber feel. All those buttons are rubber. The whole thing, it's like a rubber. Volume button, play and pause button. Probably power indicator. That's the bottom, which is plastic. And there's the Boombox 2.0. Is this the charge port? A charge port. It's sealed, like you can see. But I think in time, this could broke easy. Look, it's already getting. Can you see it? It already doesn't look that great. So yeah, I think this could easy break. Okay, so what kind of ports do we have here? USB power, service, and headphone. That's what it is. Any other ports? No, I don't think so. It's quite heavy. So let's put it on a scale. Maybe the wide angle lens. Scale should go to 0. Come on, tear it. 0, and the scale says more than 5 kilograms. This scale is only to 5 kilograms, so it's definitely more. Almost 6 kilograms. Almost 6. Wow. 2 mics. Rode 2 mics on stereo. I don't know if this is a good idea. Do it in stereo. Maybe we'll do it in mono too. Hit it. Can't control it from this? Shit. Come on, come on. Stop it, stop it, stop. It's horrible. Why is that? It's too bassy. I tried, now it's connected to the PC, to the, well, through the PC to the AV receiver, proper AV receiver, $1,500 AV receiver. And it still sounds not that great. Well, way better than connected to a smartphone. I try using Oppo. The sound quality is terrible. And Samsung Galaxy S21. And it was so bassy, I tried to correct it somehow, but it just cannot be done. It's so bassy, it's just bass. There's no mids, there's no highs, it's just bass. It's, for me, as an individual who likes to listen to music, but good quality music, it's, I like bass too, but come on, not all, there's only bass here, nothing else. Everything is just overwhelmed by bass. And when it's so bassy, after like, at least for me, after like 20 minutes, I will get really tired to listen at this level of bass. 20 minutes and I'm done. It's horrible. I don't know why they did it like that. There should be some switch out there to remove that huge bass, that ridiculous bass. And now it's called Boombox, so it's just supposed to be. Come on, this is crazy bass. It's just destroying the whole experience. I simply don't like it. That's the truth. I'm sorry, but I don't like it.